I'm Alan Mills, owner of Falcon Global Limited and author of MasterClass CSU Training. We're getting 2024 off to a flying start with our virtual classroom training program that will bring MasterClass CSU to you. Our training is accredited by the American Petroleum Institute and approved by the UK's Engineering Construction Industry Training Board. Therefore, it is the only training course that will provide you with an internationally recognised qualification in CSU. So, click on the link and sign up today. So, stay safe and happy commissioning.